Is your data safe? Have you ever lost something incredibly important to you? Even if it is only gone for a little while, it can be a completely nerve-wracking experience. Now, think about all of the precious data you have on your computer. How much is that worth to you? Now that you have that in your mind, let me ask you, if your computer were to crash, would you ever see any of that information again? As the graphic above shows, backups can be the difference between life and death in the business world. However, is it not equally important at home? Whether you are a big business that needs to keep up with its ever-growing client list or a home PC user, your data is bound to be one of the most important things you have. Your data is quite possibly the one thing you own that cannot be replaced, even more so when it comes to the data on your computer. Whether it is pictures, home videos, music, that 600-page dissertation you have been working on for the past 5 years, or your bookkeeping, the potential loss of data is something you need to be prepared to deal with. Data, particularly in digital form, is quite susceptible to damage or loss, and you should take steps to mitigate the damage catastrophic data loss can cause. Luckily, on the other hand, digital data is typically quite easy to copy. Because of the ability to replicate your digital data so freely, you have many backup options available. 1. Local data-only backups. This is as basic as it sounds. You back up your data from one device locally to another. This is most commonly done with an external hard drive, flash drive, or a local file server. This option has several great benefits, but comes with a few risks as well. 2. Local image backups. Think of an image backup as a total system backup. Instead of just copying data, the whole hard drive, or a partition of it, gets backed up. That way, in the event of total drive failure, all you need to do is replace the failing drive with a backup and you are back up and running. 3. Cloud backups. Using cloud backups means uploading data to the internet. Cloud backups come with some great benefits as well as some significant risks. Before you use a cloud backup service, it is important to research the service and make sure it is compliant with your security and accessibility needs. 4. Enterprise cloud backups. With the convenience of cloud backups, it is only natural that the business world would want to use the advantages. However, some of the risks with cloud services are deal breakers. Out of a desire to mitigate the risks of cloud backup services, enterprise solutions were developed. Oh, you are still trusting another company with your data? Make sure they are a good match for your security needs. Obviously, there are more options available, and to tell you the truth, my preference is a mixture of several of these options. Remember, everyone's backup needs are different, so if you are not sure what you need, please call our sister company CPU on-site at 806-340-7314 and set up a consultation today.